Today we will start exercise 1.1. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First question is 1 lakh is equal to dash dash 10,000. 1 lakh is read as 10,000 also. How we will see? Here 0 is on unit place, this 0 is on tens, this 0 is on 100, this 0 is on 1000, and this 0 is on 10,000, and this one is on lakh. 1 lakh, this is our 1 lakh. 1 lakh is we read as 10,000 also. This is our 10,000. Okay, lakh, and this is our 10,000. Means 10,000 we read. Next, 1 million. 1 million also we read as 100,000. We have seen in the previous lecture international chart and Indian chart. Now 1 crore is equal to, we can read as 10 lakh. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Next, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. Place the commas correctly and write the numerals. Okay. Now first question. 73 lakh 3 lakh 75,000 300 7. Means what is question here? Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Means put your commas correctly and write in numerals. Okay. First write down 73 lakh 75,307. 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, look at here, 7 is on unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and this is 10 lakh. Means 73 lakh 75,307. This is our required answer. Now next, nine crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 is on crore place, so write down here. First unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Okay, now put here 9 crore. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 5 lakh 41 means here 10 lakh is absent, 10,000, 1000 and 100 also absent, means put the zeros. Okay, now 9 crore 5 lakh 9 crore 5 lakh 41 9 crore 5 lakh 41. I think understood this example. Next example, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now write down unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Here write down 7 crore. 7 is on crore, so write down 7 crore 52 lakh 52 lakh 21,302 302. Now look at here once again. 7 is on crore place, so write down 7 is on crore place. 52 lakh 52 is on 10 lakh. 5 is on 10 lakh and 2 is on lakh. Next 21. 2 is 10,000 place and 1 is thousands place. So 300 means 3 is on 100 place, 2 is on unit place. So write down like this. 75 crore 52 lakh 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now next 58,423,202. Now this is million means international place value chart. Now write down unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Here instead of lakh write down here 100,000, then million, then 10 million. We don't need 10 million. So write down 58 million. Okay, 58 million 423,000 202. Okay, look at here once again. 58 million, so take here 10 million also. So write down 5 is on 10 million plus 8 is on million plus 423 means 400 means 4 is on 100,000 plus, 2 is on 10,000 plus and 3 is on thousands plus. So 423,000, then 202. Okay, so put comma here, million after million means we know that 2 means make here 2's group. Again here 423, then 202. Okay, I think understood this example. Next example is 23 lakh 30,010. Again write down here unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, up to lakh only. Here given 23 lakh means 10 lakh. Okay, means 23 lakh 30,000 10 means 100 places, put 0 here. Now 23 lakh. Okay, and 30,000 and 10. In Indian place value chart, put commas from RHS side, make first 3's group and again 2's group and again 2's group. But in international place value chart, make first 3's group, next also 3's group and next also 3's group. Means international place value chart, make 3's group, and in the Indian place value chart, make first 3's group and again 2 and again 2. I think understood this example. Next is question number 3. Now we turn to the next question. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system numeration. First, insert commas suitably. Solution. Okay, write down as it is numbers 87595762. Okay, now put here place values from RHS side. 2 is on unit place, 6 is on tens, 7 is on 100, 5 is on 1000 and 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay. Next, put commas here. We know how to put commas. In Indian place value chart, first comma put after 3 digit 1 2 3. Okay. Next comma put after 2 digit 1 2 and put again 2 digit. Okay, understood? Next, how to read this then? 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Next, what is the question? Write the names according to the Indian system numeration. Then write down here 8 lakh 75 lakh 5 lakh 95,762. Okay, how to put commas? Keep it in your mind. In Indian system numeration, first comma put after 3 digit and next put commas after 2 digit, next also put after 2 digit. Okay, next solution 8546283. Now again write down as it is number 3 is on unit, 8 is on tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, now we know that in Indian system, first comma put after 3 digit, next comma put after 2 digit. Okay, now read this number 85 lakh 46,283. Write down in numeration form. Write the names of this number 85 lakh 46,000 6,000 200 183. Okay, now next example. Okay, write down as it is 999,000,46. Okay, we put plus values from right side. 6 is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we know that first comma put after 3 digit, next after 2 digit, next after 2 digit. Okay, now read this number: 9 crore 99 lakh and 46. Okay, now write down this number: 9 crore 99 lakh 99 lakh 46. Okay, next example, put as it is: 98432701. Okay, 1 is on unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, now put commas: first comma put after 3 digit, next comma put after 2 digit and next after 2 digit. Okay, means 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Okay, write down here: 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. Okay, now we turn to the next question. Now next question is question number 4. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Now we put commas in International System of Numeration. Okay, first example is, write down as it is this number: first 78921092. Now we put place value from right side. Okay, 2 is on unit, 9 is on tens, 0, 100, 1 is on 1000, 2 is on 10,000. Now in international system, 9 is on no lakh, 9 is on 100,000. Okay, instead of writing here lakh, we can write here 100,000 in international system. Then million, then 10 million. Okay, now how to read this number? So first put commas here. In the International System of Numeration, we put commas after 3 digit, next also after 3 digit. Okay, now read 78,921,092. Okay, once again look at here: 78,921,092. Now write down this name: 78 million 921,092. Next question is 7452,283. Write down as it is: 7452,283. Okay, 3 is on unit, 8 is on tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and here 100,000 and million. Okay, in international system we put commas after 3 digit and again after 3 digit. Okay, now read carefully. 7,452,283. Okay, write down here 7 million 452,283. Okay. Now next example is, write down as it is 999,85,102. Okay, 2 is on unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, million and 10 million. Okay, in international system put commas. First comma is after 3 digit, next after 3 digit. Okay, now 99,985,102. now write down here 9,985,102. Okay, next example, write down as it is 48,049,831. 1 is on unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 and million, 10 million. Okay, in international system first comma put after 3 digit and next comma put after 3 digit. Now we can read here 48,49,831. Okay, write down 48 million 49,000 831. Okay, thank you.